Hi, this is Dan from Kitch. We're here for episode 3 of our Trapped in the House with our husbands, wives, and kids and trying to stay sane series. So we thought we would give you some virtual cooking classes with some really easy meals to make great meals. With me, I have Chef Becca and her business partner, Vanessa, from Nala's restaurant in West Hartford. I'll let them talk about what they do. It's a really cool place, and she's a phenomenal chef. We've been eating like kings for the last half hour or so while we make these. So I'll leave it up to you guys. Take it away.
Thank you, Dan. Hi, everyone. I'm Vanessa, and I'm here with my incredible business partner and executive chef, Becca, from Nala's Kitchen down in West Hartford. We have a healthy meal prep service, and we deliver throughout the Hartford and West Hartford areas. And the whole purpose of this series is to basically show you how to meal prep delicious restaurant quality meals that you can make at home. It's going to save you a ton of money and a ton of time. And what else? Because time is money. Time is money, right? So I think I'm going to let Chef Becca take it away.
So we got the salmon, the whole salmon loin. So this is going to be our last salmon dish that we're going to be showing you that from that whole loin that's
Right.
served.
Right, so we were talking earlier, if you saw the last 2 episodes, we spent $12 on a whole side of salmon. We're going to make 6 meals total, 6 portions total, but 3 separate meals. This is the third of that salmon size. It's the last of the salmon size that we're using. And we're making, now what is it called? It's our balsamic that we normally, balsamic or caprese salmon that we normally do.
We're making a
Nala's.
super good salmon dish.
Yeah.
I really like.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to use the super cool pan again, Dan.
The pan's by Heston out of Italy. It's titanium infused stainless steel. It's just about as close to nonstick as you get. It's a very dense, hard metal. It's really cool frame. It's just awesome.
Okay.
And we're adding olive oil.
Tell me when.
That's good.
All right.
And all of these we're going to have recipes for, and you're going to find them out later. So.
Yep. It's nice. Now is a good time also to let you know where you can find us. You can find us on our website, www.nalas-kitchen.com. And you can find us.
Don't forget the dash.
Don't forget the dash. You can also find us on Facebook at Nalas, Nalas Kitchen, Weha, Weha. Also on Instagram. And what is our new Twitter handle? I think it's Kitchen Nalas.
Yes.
Nalas, remember that. So you can find us on all of that. Chef Becca is really good. She's been giving tips and recipes. Okay, are we ready?
Just a little more.
Okay. I think I need.
Oh, actually, you see the ripples?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm going to pull it down. So you kind of see that? That's hot. It's starting to get hot.
Okay.
So now,
You just salt
actually,
them.
yep. I'm going to salt them.
Okay. Hey, that's a salt, brother. That's a salt. What is that movie from? Okay, that's a salt. Whatever.
You lost me.
Okay, I do that from time to time. Usually in the grocery store.
A little pepper.
All right.
And then what are we going to do? What did we learn from the other episode?
We're going to put, this is the show side.
Yeah.
So we want to put this down on the oil first. So are we ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, babe.
So if you're also wondering where the name Nala comes from, it's a fusion of my kids' names, Nina and Ola. A little plug for them as well.
Hey, guys. How you doing? You bored at home? Probably. Yeah, wish you were
Actually,
here.
they're doing this on their phones, right?
Yeah.
That's what all kids are doing.
Are you watching us, plus another screen, plus YouTube, plus Facebook, I don't know what else. Okay. And we're going to let this go. I think you said it'll talk to us, right?
Yeah, it will. So
Okay.
right now we have like pretty good heat. It's like medium high.
Okay.
So
And what can I be doing in the time that I'm waiting?
just do the jig. Little dance.
Is that a jig?
I don't know what.
Trivia question.
Oh, trivia question. Do you have a question for us? Or we can actually talk about the whole hey ya thing, right?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, well, we've known each other for 20 years, if you can believe that, since we were 2. And we worked at a recording studio in LA. That's how we met. And we both have our audio engineering degrees, and before we both went to culinary and pastry school. And so she got the opportunity to work with Outkast and Album of the Year, Grammy Award winning Outkast. And she also has a Grammy. Go figure. She's a Grammy Award winning executive chef, business owner, single mother.
Why isn't it here in the counter?
I don't want
Next
to
time.
oil on it.
Next time. She doesn't want to slip it out of my hands. So enough about her, more about me. I have nothing.
Sing. Let's sing.
Yeah.
Let's sing.
See, oh no, we're not singing. Oh. Come on now, ladies. Yeah. That's exactly how they did it.
That's all
So
I said.
you ever heard of auto-tune? That's all she said, and they just cranked it up, made it sound wonderful, overdubbed it trillion times, and then it came out to what it is today, which is
It still sounds.
it's kind of like the laugh track we're gonna add on to this one.
Or the. Oh.
All right.
Almost. Yeah, it's not ready yet. You see, I was trying to pull it up, and you see it's not coming up at all. You're like, no, it doesn't want to go. It still wants to get that beautiful color and a nice sear. So it'll literally just come right off the pan. Yeah. So if we wanted to, we can actually talk about what we're gonna put into the sauce that we're gonna put right on top.
Okay.
So this dish, we kind of made it so we're doing the whole Orzo thing because why not?
The whole purpose of these 3 episodes, the first 3 episodes are you can use orzo and salmon and maybe one other star to make 3 different meals. So we're going to make this with orzo and with salmon, and that's the whole point of it. We want to showcase 3 different meals using the same
It's
ingredients.
ready. I'm putting
okay.
all of the oil to one side so I don't get a nice oil burn. Look at that. Look at that.
That looks amazing. I did such a good job.
And I didn't burn myself. Now we're gonna put this in the oven.
What temperature?
I like 400 because I like to.
Speed up the process. Yeah.
Because I'm a quick person, but you can do 350. 350 is good.
You're a quick person who left the fire on.
That's on purpose.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna get another saute pan, and we're gonna make the sauce that goes on top.
Ah, okay. So let me get it.
So this sauce, I like it a lot because it's super fresh. If you can't find grape tomatoes, just do regular Roma tomatoes, whatever you can find that's kind of tomato family. We're gonna start with some olive oil.
Okay. Tell me when.
Good.
All right.
And we're gonna throw the grape tomatoes in. Look at, do you see the ripples?
Oh yeah, that was a fast one.
It was a faster one.
What? Was that Mario? Super
Yes.
Mario? Luigi. No, that was horrible. Okay. Adding that?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Hear the sizzle?
Yeah. Here's the sizzle, my nizzle.
No, not yet.
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
getting it ready.
Okay.
So
We're gonna let it break down, right?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. I know that much because I break down all the time. Where's the wine, by the way? Get some, please.
You shut up.
Not again.
No, we're talking about a breakdown.
So the skins of these tomatoes are really soft, so it's not going to take a long time to cook. We're looking for it to start to break down enough so it kind of thickens up a little bit to make a sauce. This is going to be our sauce for the salmon. Do you see how it's broken down?
Yeah.
So now we're going to add the garlic. The reason why you don't put the garlic in early is because it's going to start to burn and then it gets gross and bitter.
Oh.
Yeah.
It gets like how I normally cook.
That's
Let
all
it burn. Let it burn.
I'm not going to touch that one.
Okay.
All right. So with the new modification, we got this cool maple mayhem. Dan?
Yeah, what are we using?
This is the General's hot sauce. These are good friends of ours from South Carolina. They make 4 or 5 different kinds of hot sauces. The hand grenade bottle is really cool. It's our best seller, mostly because of the bottle, but also because they make phenomenal hot sauce. Awesome hot sauce. You can taste any of them here at the store in our incredible hot sauce bar with over 50 local and national hot sauces. Just my shameless plug. Just shake this up really well.
Shame. Okay.
So, all right. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
we're gonna put a little bit in there. Just to give it a little.
This is called Maple Mayhem.
Yes.
So it's a maple syrup with some habanero.
Correct.
Oh, I have a friend who would love this. Everything he eats, he says, needs habaneros. Needs habaneros. You know who you are. All right. So now what?
Alright. So we are going. That's gonna go on top of the sauce. Or I'm kind of thinking right now we're just going off the whatever we had in the grocery store. Toss this all together. Why not?
Okay.
So just kind of like a one pot kind of thing,
Okay. I'm
Get
down
the
for
least
that.
amount of dishes.
I'm
dirty.
down for that.
Unless you have kids, make your kids do it. Right?
I'm very interested to see how that tastes. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Already got salmon. We found some parsley. Dan was throwing some in the backyard somewhere.
Yay!
But it's not done yet. We
Oh.
gotta do a cool little drizzle.
Yeah. Okay, keep in mind, folks, that these are meals that you would get when you order from Nala's Kitchen. These are meals that come to you already done. You
Yeah.
heat and eat them. Microwave, 2 to 3 minutes on high. This is what you're going to get. You're going to get quality restaurant style meals.
In a to-go container. You can eat out of. There's like no mess or anything.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we forgot. We have some cool Parmesan cheese we can add onto this. You can add mozzarella cheese to this. You can add literally any. I love cheese, so I can keep going on and on.
That looks great too. Taste tester!
So as your official taste tester, I always get the first bite. The salmon is perfect. Tomato sauce, we'll see how that is. It's okay.
Break down! Ah!
No, it's really good. Garlicky, tomatoey. The maple syrup has just a hint of sweetness. Not really a lot of habanero in it, but it's perfect. I mean, this is really good. Again, the third salmon dish from someone who's not a salmon fan. I'd eat them all.
Yay!
This is great.
Do we get to toast?
We do. So Dan from Kitch and the girls from Nala's Kitchen, wishing you all happy eating and stay sane out there.
Cheers!
Cheers.